Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today, you will get your test back. Today, you will get your test back. We took the test last week. We took the test last week. Turns out you guys did really well. Turns out you guys did really well. Everyone passed. Everyone passed. Almost everyone. Almost everyone. Lisa, will you please come to me for a moment? Lisa, will you please come to me for a moment? Of course, Mr. Smith. Of course, Mr. Smith. Have I done something wrong? Have I done something wrong? I want to talk to you briefly about the test. I want to talk to you briefly about the test. Did I do okay? Did I do okay? Not quite. You got an F, Lisa. Not quite. You got an F, Lisa. What? That's the worst grade you can get. What? That's the worst grade you can get. Why didn't you study for this test? Why didn't you study for this test? I studied a lot. I studied a lot. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Every one of your answers was wrong. Every one of your answers was wrong. Next time I will study harder. Next time I will study harder. I promise. I promise. There is one more problem. There is one more problem. Another one? Another one? That was the third time you got an F this year. That was the third time you got an F this year. I need to talk to your parents. I need to talk to your parents. Please don't, Mr. Smith. I will study more. Please don't, Mr. Smith. I will study more. It's too late now. It's too late now. Hello, Mr. Peters. This is Mr. Smith, Lisa's teacher at school. Hello, Mr. Peters. This is Mr. Smith, Lisa's teacher at school. Hello, Mr. Smith. How can I help you? Hello, Mr. Smith. How can I help you? I need to talk to you about Lisa. I need to talk to you about Lisa. Did something happen? Is everything all right? Did something happen? Is everything all right? Lisa got an F on her test today. Lisa got an F on her test today. What? I can't believe it. What? I can't believe it. There is something else. There is something else. What else is there to tell? What else is there to tell? Please come to the school. Please come to the school. I would like to talk to you personally. I would like to talk to you personally. Okay, I'm on my way. Okay, I'm on my way. What else did Lisa do wrong? What else did Lisa do wrong? I hope it's nothing bad. I hope it's nothing bad. Usually, she's a good girl. Usually, she's a good girl. I'm on my way to talk to her teacher now. I'm on my way to talk to her teacher now. This is Lisa's school. This is Lisa's school. I have to go to Mr. Smith's office. I have to go to Mr. Smith's office. Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Mr. Peters. Thank you for coming. Hello, Mr. Peters. Thank you for coming. Of course. What's going on with Lisa? Of course. What's going on with Lisa? Lisa is having a lot of problems at school. Lisa is having a lot of problems at school. Really? I don't know anything about that. Really? I don't know anything about that. She has gotten an F 3 times this year. She has gotten an F 3 times this year. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, it's really not good. Yeah, it's really not good. What can we do? What can we do? Maybe she should repeat this year. Maybe she should repeat this year. You want her to repeat the whole school year? You want her to repeat the whole school year? It's just an idea. It's just an idea. I only want what is best for Lisa. I only want what is best for Lisa. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. I have another idea. I have another idea. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I can study with Lisa over the summer. I can study with Lisa over the summer. Then she can retake the tests. Then she can retake the tests. That can work. That can work. Thank you for giving her a second chance, Mr. Smith. Thank you for giving her a second chance, Mr. Smith. Of course. Of course. What did Mr. Smith say, Dad? What did Mr. Smith say, Dad? We still have a chance, Lisa. We still have a chance, Lisa. But we have a lot to do. But we have a lot to do. Okay, then we will. Thank you, Dad. I love you. Okay, then we will. Thank you, Dad. I love you. How many times did Lisa get an F this year? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. Leave a comment. How many times did Lisa get an F this year? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. Leave a comment.